Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make fried rice. First, gather your ingredients, ensuring you have cold, day-old rice ready. This is crucial for achieving the perfect texture. You'll also need minced garlic, sliced green onions, and a combination of whole eggs and extra yolks for a rich, flavorful base. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and quick. Next, heat your wok to a high temperature with pork fat or a neutral oil. Once shimmering, add your minced garlic and chili, stirring constantly for about 30 to 45 seconds until they become aromatic. Then, push these to the side and pour in your whisked eggs. Cook them quickly, stirring to create fluffy, small pieces, again for about 30 to 45 seconds. Now it's time for the star, your cold rice. Add it to the wok, breaking up any clumps as you stir. Cook the rice for 2 to 3 minutes, ensuring every grain gets toasted and separated. Keep it moving to prevent burning. Then, sprinkle in 2 tablespoons of MSG and 3 teaspoons of white pepper, mixing thoroughly to distribute the flavors evenly throughout the rice. For the final touches, push the rice to one side of the wok and pour 3 tablespoons of soy sauce directly onto the hot metal, letting it sizzle before mixing it in. Add your sliced green onions and a drizzle of sesame oil, tossing everything together for about 30 seconds. Serve immediately for the best taste. Remember to check the description below for a link to this amazing book and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.